Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to call someone or message someone in WhatsApp without adding someone. Okay, so this is a new update from WhatsApp. So in this it's not like changing it in URL and something, it's a official method by WhatsApp. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So for this, go to call section here and click on plus icon in the top right. You will see the option as call a number. So here you have to paste that number or dial that number. For example, I will dial it here. So if you want to call in this number, click on call icon. If you want to message to this number, just click on this message icon. This will redirect to a message screen. For example, I will click here. So in this way, you can use this new feature. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.